We'll guide you through how to reorder an Instagram carousel post. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you're wanting to go and reorder carousels after posting. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Perhaps there's now a photo you want to go and have in a different place in it, so we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. So to get started, come to the bottom right of Instagram and find your profile icon or the user button and tap there. Now you can scroll down and find the post you want to do it with and tap on it to open it up. Then go to the top right and find the three dots. Tap there. Come down this list and you need to go and find the option for edit. It's got the pen or pencil icon to the left. Now you're going to see the photos here and you can go and tap and hold and adjust the order. So you could tap and hold this one here, say, and then just drag it along. And you can then choose who you want it to go and be. So once you're then happy with it, you can go and edit other things as well. You can go and press the tick in the top right, and that's it. You've now gone and changed the order. Of course, you can go and do that again if you want, and you can repeat it for more posts as well. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.